Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you step by step how to create a beautiful journal using free Canva templates and publish it on Amazon KDP to start earning passive income. Whether you are a complete beginner or just looking for a new low content book idea, you are going to love this. So grab a notebook, hit the like button, and let's jump right into it. So first of all, you just need to sign up into the Canva. So when you are new, like first thing first, head over to the canva.com. like you will get this kind of an interface here, and then you just need to be sign up for a free account. If you don't have one already, Canva is an amazing tool because it gives you access to thousands of ready-made templates that you can fully customize even with the free versions. Once you are signed up, log in, and we are ready to go started. So first of all, you just need to find a journal template. So next, you can type, like when you already sign up in here, you will get this kind of an interface. So you can search million of templates from Canva. So here you just need to be search Canva in the Canva search bar and hit enter. Let's search journal here, and let's hit enter, and here actually you will get all journal template over that place. So you just need to pick one that fits the style or niche you want to publish in. Let me give you one tip, that is choose something simple with repeatable pace. This makes designs and formatting super easy. And click on the template you like and hit. You just need to click on customize this template. Like let's say we're going to choose that one. Yeah, that one will be quite good, so I will go with this one. Just select this one, and I will just click on customize this template. Once I click over here, it already opened it in new tab. So now we just need to customize the pages. Now it's time to make this journal your own. Inside the Canva editor, this is the Canva editor, you can change the text, fonts, colors, and even add your own graphics or doodles. For example, if you are making a gratitude journal, you can add prompts like today I am grateful for a daily reflection. Like this way, you just need to come over here. Let's open a new page here. Just click over here, and now I just want to add a prompt. So I will copy the text from that place and I will paste it here. It is a drag and drop page builder, or you just need to come over here and write your thing like today I'm grateful for that, and now you just need to select your font from that place, which one you think will be the relevant one. So I will choose this one, and then I will increase the size of our book cover, and then I will fix the alignment, and it looks nice. Now I will place it here in the top, and then you can add elements. It could be anything like this one here. I will place it in that place. Then you can add more things if you want to add, like this one. It will be the quite good one, so you just need to place it here and make the position backward, and now it looks really great. So this way you can change the thing for yourself. Then you can add maps over that place also. Just make it as it the design you want. It's totally an amazing one. So you have full freedom to design your thing as you want. So now once you feel that your design is good, inside the Canva editor you can change the text, fonts, colors, and even add your own graphics. So make sure you have enough unique pages to give value. But remember, for journal you usually duplicate the same interior page to reach your design page count. Most journals on Amazon KDP are between 100 to 120 pages. So design one or two core pages and then duplicate them to fill the book. You can duplicate page easily by right click and then select duplicate page. So here just need to click this one, and you are able to duplicate this whole thing. So now let's talk about the KDP, Amazon KDP journal. So what actually means journal? You will get to identify this one, Amazon journal, and let's hit enter, and here you will find out couple of like so much journals. Here you can see that one, like how much they are selling $32. So I will go on of them and I will see that what actually it looks like, and you can see that it looks really amazing. So you can purchase single one or you can purchase like a package also. So now we are going to talk about design a cover. So it is the main thing to do in journal. So next up is your cover, and this is super important because a good cover sells the book. So you just need to go back to the cover like Canva homepage and click create image and choose the custom size. For Amazon KDP, your cover size depends on your trim size and page count. I recommended using 6:9 inches for journal, which is most popular size. But there is an calculator available in online they provide to get your actual size. So here I will, my binding tab will be the hardcover, interior type will be the black and white, or we can see the premium color. Or I will go with the black and white. Then I will select the paper type. It will be in white paper. Reading direction will be the left to right, and then measurement unit will be the millimeter. I could go with the inches because inches measurement is really amazing and it is so much easy for us. Then interior trim size will be the 6:9 and the page count will be 100, and that's quite good. I will click on calculate dimension and they will provide the full cover dimension. So here you can see this is the cover page. So I will download the template. Once I did, it will download it here. Actually you can see. Now I will come back to our search journal, and from that place I will create my custom size. So I will go back to the home and then just click the custom size, and from that place I will choose the custom size that will be weight. So I will copy this one, I will paste it here. Then similarly I will check the height also, I will paste it here, and then I will make sure it will be in inches. Again, let's go and copy all those things and I will paste it here. Okay, they have a couple of things, so I will copy all of them one by one and then I will paste it here. Now it's look quite good. Similarly with the height one, and remove this one, previous one, and now it's quite good. Now click on create new design. Once you click over here, the design will be created. So you need to calculate the full cover size, include the spine and blade. To make it easy, you search KDP cover template calculator online and download the correct cover template for your trim size and page count. Upload this template into Canva as a guide like here. Once I did, I will come back to our that place into the download, and here you can see our template already been downloaded. We are just going to extract the file here. Just click on extract and it will extract it here. So I will paste it here, and here you can use that one. So I will upload it here. It already been uploaded in here, so I can place it here, and now here actually you can see it already been placed perfectly. So you just need to upload the template into Canva as a guide. Design your front cover, spine and back cover all in one image. Keep it simple but eye-catching. Clear title, attractive fonts, and style that matches your interior. So now let's try to design this one. So I will go to the elements and I will copy something from that place. So I will click on shape, or you can go with this element and search for your design. So I am going to search and design that will be, that one will be the image of sky or background image, and here you will find out the background image for you. So I will just click on see all, and from that place I will choose a background design for our interior design. So let's say okay, all are the premium one available in here. So I just need to find it and premium one, like free one. So let's see is it available. I think this one will be the quite good. I will place it here, and once I did, I will reduce the transparency. So here I will reduce this one. Okay, there I did something wrong. That is our image already been removed it. So I will place it this way, and here let's say yes, it is quite good. So I will make sure the transparent will be the 100% for this one, and now I will come back to the image and I will place it this way, and now I just need to drag it, drop here, and then make sure the thing is look this way. And now you can increase or decrease the transparency. It's totally dependent on you how you want. So now you can add your element here. Like I want to add this one, just click on C1, and then copy this one, and you just need to paste it anywhere. So you already created your cover page with this sample. This is the easiest one. Once you feel that your interior and covers are ready, it's time to download them. You are able to download it here from that place. So you just need to publish your Amazon KDP on your file, and then you are ready to go. You just need to promote your journal, and that's it. That's exactly how you can create a beautiful journal using Canva and start selling it on Amazon KDP. If you found this helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorial. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.